As today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on profile options. You just click on it. So then you come here to smart cards. You just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here smart cards disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.